Let's talk about something we rarely consider in our daily routines, something that sits quietly in our refrigerators, waiting to become dinner. That package of chicken you just picked up, how did it actually end up in your grocery cart? What invisible journey did it take before it landed in your hands, ready to be cooked and shared at your table? Behind the scenes, there's a world most of us never see. It's a high-speed, high-tech operation. Millions of chickens processed daily in massive, sprawling facilities that run like clockwork. These plants are the beating heart of the modern food industry, where efficiency and precision are everything. Imagine a place where, as the sun rises, truckloads of live birds arrive at the gates. By the time the afternoon shift ends, those same birds have been transformed, cleaned, cut, and packaged, ready to be shipped out to stores across the country. It's a transformation that happens with astonishing speed and coordination. Conveyor belts snake through the facility, carrying chickens from one stage to the next. Stainless steel machines slice, sort, and package with relentless precision. The air is filled with the constant hum of motors and the rhythmic clatter of automated arms. This is industrial food production at its most efficient, where every second is accounted for. Incredibly, a single plant can process over 100,000 birds in just one shift. That's more than the population of many small towns, all moving through the system in a matter of hours. The scale is almost hard to imagine, but it's the reality behind the neatly wrapped packages we see in stores. Every step in this process is carefully choreographed. Workers move in perfect sync, each with a specific task, some trimming, some inspecting, others packaging. Every role is vital and every second counts. The entire operation is a symphony of human skill and mechanical power, working together to keep the line moving. It's a tough, demanding job. Workers suit up in protective gear, boots, gloves, masks, to keep both themselves and the food safe. The environment is cold, loud, and fast-paced, but it's also a marvel of engineering and logistics. Without this behind-the-scenes effort, our food supply would grind to a halt. The human element is everywhere. Workers move with practiced efficiency, eyes scanning for quality, hands moving quickly but carefully. They are the guardians of safety and quality in this mechanical ecosystem, ensuring that every piece of chicken meets strict standards before it leaves the plant. Once packaged, the race isn't over. Refrigerated trucks line up at the loading docks, engines humming, ready to whisk the products away. It's a non-stop race against the clock to keep everything fresh, safe, and on schedule because in this business, timing is everything. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on this hidden world. We'll step inside the factory, past the security doors and into the heart of industrial food production to see how your dinner is really made. We'll follow the journey from live bird to packaged product step by step. From arrival to processing to inspection to packaging, every stage is a story in itself, filled with challenges, innovations, and the relentless drive to feed millions. This is the story of your chicken. Long before it hits the pan, before it's seasoned and cooked, before it becomes a meal shared with family or friends. It's a story of science, teamwork, and the unseen symphony that brings food to your table. Get ready, because after seeing what goes on behind the scenes, you'll never look at a chicken breast the same way again. The journey of every chicken destined for the dinner table begins long before it reaches the processing plant. It starts on the farm, where flocks are raised with careful attention to their health and well-being. Here, farmers monitor the birds daily, ensuring they have access to clean water, nutritious feed, and a safe environment. This early care is crucial, setting the foundation for everything that follows. But the real action begins when the chickens are loaded onto transport trucks and make their way to the processing plant. The arrival of these trucks marks a pivotal moment in the journey from farm to table. Trucks pull into a covered bay which serves as the first line of biosecurity defense. This area is designed to prevent the introduction of outside contaminants, protecting both the birds and the food supply. As soon as the trucks arrive, inspectors spring into action. They carefully examine every crate, looking for any signs of illness, injury, or distress among the birds. Food safety and animal welfare both start at this critical checkpoint. Only healthy flocks are allowed to move forward in the process. If any issues are detected, such as sick or injured birds, those crates are immediately flagged and set aside for further evaluation. This ensures that only the best quality chickens continue on their journey. Unloading takes place in a specially designed, dimly lit area. The low lighting helps keep the birds calm, reducing their stress and making the process safer for both the animals and the workers. Once inside, the crates are placed onto automated conveyor belts. This is the first glimpse of the sophisticated automation that powers modern poultry processing, streamlining the movement of birds through each stage. Workers, trained for both speed and care, gently hang each bird by its feet onto a moving shackle line. It's a tough, repetitive job that requires focus and compassion, as every bird must be handled with respect. This live hang area serves as the final checkpoint before processing begins. Here, supervisors conduct one last inspection, ensuring that all animal welfare standards are met and that the birds are fit for the next stage. The environment is carefully controlled, lighting is kept low, noise is minimized, and every effort is made to keep the birds as calm as possible. Reducing stress at this stage is not only humane, but it also helps maintain meat quality. Every step in this process is designed with two goals in mind: efficiency and animal welfare. Modern technology and strict protocols work hand in hand to ensure both are achieved. From the moment the chickens arrive to the instant they enter the processing line, hygiene and humanity are at the forefront. Sanitary measures are rigorously enforced, and every worker is trained to handle the birds with care. Before entering the processing area, workers sanitize their hands and change into clean uniforms, further reducing the risk of contamination and upholding the highest standards of cleanliness. With all checks complete and preparations in place, the stage is set for the transformation to begin. The factory floor is ready, and every detail has been considered. It's a blend of cutting-edge technology and genuine care for the animals, right from the very start of the process. Now, with everything in place, the real work begins. The journey from farm to table enters its next phase. Now comes the most sensitive step: stunning and slaughter. Birds are rendered unconscious before slaughter, a legal and ethical requirement. Most plants use an electric water bath or controlled atmosphere stunning, where birds simply fall asleep. Immediately after stunning, an automated blade makes a precise cut to the neck, ensuring a rapid, humane bleed-out. The process is over in seconds, designed for efficiency and to eliminate suffering. Every detail is monitored: currents, gas levels, line speed. Inspectors oversee the process to ensure strict compliance. Technology and science combine to make this step as humane as possible. It's a somber but necessary part of the journey. Next, it's time to remove the feathers. Fast. Birds are submerged in a scalder, a tunnel of hot water, loosening feathers without cooking the meat. Temperature and timing are tightly controlled for perfect results. Then, defeathering machines with rubber fingers strip feathers away in seconds. Multiple machines handle everything from large wing feathers to tiny down. Feathers are collected for use in animal feed or fertilizer, nothing wasted. Birds emerge featherless, pale and clean, then get a cold rinse. Simple principles: hot water and friction, scaled up to industrial speed. Efficiency and precision define this stage. Now, the insides are removed. Evisceration. Automated machines make precise cuts and extract the organs in one motion. Organs are draped outside the carcass for inspection by food safety officials. Inspectors check every bird for disease or contamination. Any issues are pulled from the line. Edible organs, giblets, are separated, cleaned, and packaged. The rest is sent for rendering, minimizing waste. Carcasses are washed inside and out with high-pressure, chlorinated water. This step is crucial for hygiene and food safety. Only clean, inspected birds move forward. The process is fast, precise, and relentless. Millions of pounds of safe chicken are processed daily thanks to this system. Next up, chilling. After cleaning, the real battle begins. A race against time and bacteria. Every second counts, as harmful microbes can multiply rapidly if conditions are right. The goal is to cool the chicken as quickly as possible, stopping bacteria in their tracks before they have a chance to grow. Carcasses are swiftly moved from the processing line into chilling systems designed to bring down their temperature fast. This is a critical step, as the window for safe handling is narrow and precise timing is essential to prevent contamination. Most U.S. plants use water chilling. Birds are submerged in icy, chlorinated water. This method not only cools the meat quickly, but also helps wash away any lingering bacteria on the surface, providing an extra layer of protection. Some facilities opt for air chilling, where cold, purified air is blasted over the birds for several hours. This process is slower but can enhance the texture and flavor of the meat, making it a preferred choice for certain producers and consumers. Each method has its own set of advantages and drawbacks. Water chilling is efficient and cost-effective, while air chilling is prized for preserving natural flavor and reducing water usage. The choice often depends on the plant's priorities and the market they serve. Throughout the chilling process, temperature is monitored constantly by digital thermometers and vigilant quality control staff. The target is to reach a safe internal temperature, usually below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, as quickly as possible to ensure the meat remains safe for consumption. Chilling acts as the invisible shield protecting your food, forming a crucial barrier against foodborne illness. Without this step, the risk of contamination would be far greater. Once the birds are thoroughly chilled, they are allowed to drip dry, ensuring excess water is removed before the next stage. This not only improves texture but also prepares the chicken for efficient cutting and packaging. The cold chain starts here and must never be broken. From this point forward, the chicken must remain at a safe temperature all the way to your kitchen, preserving freshness and safety. This chilling step is the backbone of food safety and poultry processing, and strict regulations ensure every batch meets rigorous standards. Now, with the chilling process complete, the chicken is ready for its final transformation, cutting, packaging, and eventually, making its way to your table. Chilled chickens enter the cutting room, where whole birds become familiar cuts. Automated machines separate legs, wings, and breasts with precision. Skilled workers debone and trim, perfecting each piece. Conveyor belts sort parts for different products: bone-in, boneless, skinless. Quality control checks every cut for size and accuracy. Bones and trimmings are sent for rendering, nothing wasted. Technology and human skill combine to create exactly what consumers want. This is butchery on an industrial scale. Now, it's time to package the chicken for its journey to your table. Automated weighers portion exact amounts into trays or bags. Modified atmosphere packaging removes oxygen, extends shelf life, and keeps chicken fresh. Each package is sealed, labeled, and passes through a metal detector for safety. Labels provide weight, price, use-by date, and traceability codes. Finished packages are boxed and labeled for shipping. The process is fast, raw pieces to boxed product in minutes. Rigorous checks ensure safety and freshness. Packaging is the final barrier between the factory and your family. The chicken is now ready to leave the plant. The last step, distribution. Packaged chicken moves to refrigerated storage, shelves stacked high in a frigid warehouse. Orders are assembled and loaded onto refrigerated trucks, mobile cold rooms. The cold chain is never broken, from plant to store. Sophisticated logistics ensure the right products reach the right places, fast. Within days, chicken processed here is on your grocery shelf. Behind every package is a vast network of technology, organization, and hard work. Next time you buy chicken, remember the journey it took to get there.